Welcome back to our channel. We have finished 3 weeks of reviewing this strategy, which is long only swing trading strategy. Until now, actually I was posting daily videos, and I was actually doing over the weekend, and these daily videos were around 1 to 2 minutes time. So as they were turning out very small, from this week I was thinking that I would make a weekly video which includes all 5 videos for a week. Please see our previous video, which was a review and recap video where we explain the strategy in depth, and also we have taken one stock and we have shown why we selected that. We will place the link to this video in the description. If you see the review and recap video, you will realize that during the first 3 weeks of testing this strategy, we have made a loss of around 1800 rupees. The first week actually was positive, and second week the market was pretty negative, and because of that most of the positions went into loss, and third week we started getting into new position. This week, for which we are creating the video, the market has been very strong, and during the course of the video you will realize that how sensitive this strategy is to the condition of the market. Just want to reiterate, the trades which we are taking is the actual trades. It's not any paper trading but actual trading. If you check our previous video, we have shown that we had shortlisted HDFC Bank and also the reason behind that. So we have already added HDFC Bank, and now we are going to buy it. So we are going to buy 10 quantities of HDFC Bank. We went ahead and placed the trade, and the order got filled for the average price of 1120.25 rupees. So these are our previous open trades. You can see that HDFC new position has been opened. You can check our previous positions which are still open. As these positions are not older than 5 days, we are not going to exit any of this position today. That's it for today. Take care. Bye. See you tomorrow. Welcome to day 16. So today we have shortlisted 2 stocks. They are Apollo Tyres and Interglobe Aviation, which is nothing but Indigo. And also we would be exiting 2 stocks, that is Dabur India and Colgate Palmolive. We have entered these 2 stocks on 29th and 28th of September respectively. So that is the plan for today. Henceforth I will show this buy and sell video quickly. So we bought Apollo Tyres 100 quantities for the average price of 135.7, and we went ahead and bought 6 quantities of Interglobe Aviation for 1336. You can check it in the portfolio and positions tab. Later on we sold Colgate Palmolive at the price point of 1442.91 and Dabur India at the price point of 529.65. We made pretty good profit in Dabur India, which was around 4+% of profit, and in Colgate Palmolive it was around 1+% of profit. You can look at this position tab for already more detail. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. Welcome to day 17, which is 7th of October 2020. This is how the current positions looks like. we are planning to exit 2 positions and enter 2 new positions. The 2 stock which we shortlisted for today are, the first one is DLF. You can see that the last 3 days there has been a positive close. And the second stock which we shortlisted is Tata Motors. You see that last 3 days there is a positive close, even though the first and second day, the intraday, the close has been lower than the open, but still there are the last 3 consecutive days there has been a positive close. We went ahead and bought 80 quantity of DLF at the average price of 162.55, and then we bought 110 quantities of Tata Motors at the average price of 143.27. We did some multiple trades. We got couple of times fund not sufficient, but we had some fund. Looks like the trade went through. You can see the positions tab, which gives a good view. The stock which we wanted to exit was Hindalco. So we exited 65 quantities of Hindalco at the average price of 175.65, and we exited NMDC also at the average price of 82.6. Both of them we made some profit. You can look at the position tab. So DLF and Tata Motors are new position, and Hindalco and NMDC are the positions which we exited. So this week we have exited a lot of positions which we had entered last week, and most of them we exited with profit. The reason being, it's been a strong week for the market. End of the day, this is where we stand. Welcome to day 18, which is 8th of October. We have shortlisted 2 stock for today. ACC, as you see, it has 3 positive closing, and Maruti Suzuki, this also you can see 3 positive consecutive closing. So we went ahead and bought ACC and Maruti. So we bought around 8 quantities of ACC at the average price of 1477.5, and Maruti we bought around only 1 quantity at the price point of 7087.15. You can check it in the positions window. Later on we booked profit in Tata Steel. We made around 3+% profit here. We sold Tata Steel at the average price of around 379 rupees. So you can check that in the positions window. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Welcome to day 19, which is 9th October and last day of week 4. We have shortlisted 1 stocks for entering, and we have shortlisted 1 more stock for exit. The stock which we shortlisted for entry today is Voltas. As you see, the last 3 days there has been a consecutive positive close. So for that reason we are going to shortlist this stock. The stock which we are going to exit is HDFC Bank. We came out with almost 7% profit here. It was a very good trade for us. The price point at which we came out was 1200. Later on we entered Voltas. We entered 18 quantities of Voltas at the price point of 692.95. You can check the positions tab for more details. this concludes details about all the trades which we took this week, and this has been a very productive week for us. As you are aware, the market conditions were pretty strong, and this is our holdings as of now. When we started this week, by when we had completed 3 weeks of trading, we had made around 1800 rupees loss without brokerage. If you add brokerage, I think it would be another 150 rupees. This week we recouped all the losses and we made some additional profit over that. We had made around 346 rupees profit. If this doesn't include the brokerage and other cost, if you add that, then the profit would be lesser than what I just told. The main point which I want to tell is, we started with 1800 rupees loss for 3 weeks, and now we recouped all the loss and we entered the positive territory just because for a week's time market was in positive territory. As I mentioned earlier, this strategy works well in positive market, so we may have to look at other mechanism where we can do some regime detection. But as of now, as I mentioned earlier, I want to keep this strategy simple, and I want to continue testing for another 2-3 weeks and then see how it's happening. So until next week, all of you take care. Bye.